Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. My name is Asia. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and join the gang. So today I'm going to be doing like a super sleek, easy ponytail for short hair. As you can see, my hair is like almost to my collarbones, not quite, but yeah. Anyways, so to start off, I'm taking down these two braids that I slept in. I don't really have anything in my hair except for like a little bit of oil. That's why it looks like that. But I'm gonna just go ahead and take these down. So first you want to start off by putting your hair into a ponytail. This is like the rough draft ponytail where you just see where you want the ponytail to be, and then you brush it into place. And then you're going to, once you like where it's at, then you move on to taking your baby hairs out, making sure that you have all the hair that you want to frame your face out and not, you know, get caught up into where you're going to put the like gel or pomade. So I'm going to use some edge booster. This is my first time using edge booster. I liked it. I think pomades and like conditioning gels work better for my hair type, better than like a regular gel. So I just want to try this one out. So you just take some, rub it in your hands, and then distribute the product that way. I just find it's easier than putting it directly on my hair and then brushing it through. This just makes sure it's evenly coated and that all the hairs, you know, have some type of product on it, so it's easier to mold. So I'm just going to use this bristle brush and brush through the pomade to like sleek my hair and get it to lay as flat as possible. And once it's laid down properly in the front, then I take a paddle brush to the back just to make sure that everything is straight and there are no like, you know, lumps and bumps in the back, and then go over again with the bristle brush just to smooth over the top hairs. The brushes, they just do two different things and I need them both, so that's why I switched between the two. And then this is basically the ponytail. This is like as sleek as I want it and everything. Then I'm going to add some braiding hair. This is just like if you have short hair. If you don't, then it'll be easier. You just like braid your hair. But I need a little bit more length on mine, so I'm going to take some braiding hair and braid it down probably to like where my neck bone is. And yeah, it doesn't have to look cute or anything. It's not, mine doesn't, because my hair is like short, so pieces, it's just kind of bulky at the top because hair is not, you know, cooperating, but it's totally fine. All you need is like the extra length or whatever. So I just go ahead and braid my hair, and then once I get it to my desired length, and I cut off the extra. If you want your ponytail to be longer, then you can make a longer braid. If your like bundles aren't super long, mine are 24, so it's like considerably long-ish, so I don't need to make a super long braid or anything like that. And I'm only going to be using one pack of hair just because I wanted it like a little bit on the thinner side. I don't know, it just looks more realistic to me than like a big bulky ponytail, even though those are cute too. You know, this is just my preference for today. So I'm going to take the hair, it's synthetic, like I said, it's 24 inches, and I'm going to take the end. I looped the hair so it's like two wefts together, even though it's like one bundle of hair. And I'm going to take a rubber band and I'm just going to like tie the very end of it just so that those two pieces stay together. And then I'm going to put that at the bottom of the braid so that the hair is like attached that way, because I'm not using any glue or anything, so I need the base of the hair to like hold on to something. And then I'm going to go ahead and wrap the hair around the braid. I'm pulling it a little bit just to make sure it's tight so it doesn't like slide down or anything, but you don't want to make it too tight to where it makes the braid stiff underneath, because then it's gonna look like you have like a stiff ponytail. It's gonna look kind of weird. So just find that like happy medium to where it's tight enough but not too tight where it doesn't move. So I'm wrapping it and keeping in mind that I want to be able to wrap this one bundle around the top of the base of the hair like at least 2 or 3 times, just so it I don't know, it just gives a better look to the ponytail when you're able to wrap it 2 or 3 times above. So that's what I was keeping in mind while I was wrapping. So I can't really explain to you like the spacing. I was just keeping in mind how much hair I had left to wrap, and that's how much I was going up, if that makes sense. So then for the end of the hair, I want to leave like a considerable amount because this is what I'm going to use to wrap the ponytail. And I want to make sure that's thick enough that it covers like, you know, the base, like so you don't see any of the wefts at the top of the head. So once you find a good amount of hair, you want to get another rubber band and do the exact same thing that you did to the bottom of the hair, or the bottom of the weft. And this is just to secure everything in place because like I said, we're not using any bobby pins or anything like that. It's all like scrunchies and rubber bands that are making the hair stay. So like I'm just wrapping the I just wrapped the rubber band around the whole ponytail like once because I didn't want it to snap, but you can use something else like another scrunchie if you want it to be more secure. But I didn't want anything too bulky because the more you use, the more you'll have to like cover up. So I just wanted to make sure that it was like something super small. And then I'm going to find the hair that I separated and we're going to begin to wrap the top of the ponytail, or the base. So I'm just using some Got2b spray. You can use any hairspray or spritz, and you just want to wrap the hair around and smooth out the hair with the brush and then spray. And then every so often use like a blow dryer if you want, just to like speed up the drying process, just to make it, you know, hold while you're wrapping. I'm just going to keep on repeating this step until there's no more hair left to wrap around the base. And then once all the hair is wrapped, you want to spray the base with some hairspray just to make sure that there are no flyaways, no hairs poking up. So just spray it, you know, the wrap, and then blow dry it down so it lays flat. And then I'm kind of like going around it just to make sure that, you know, it's really set in place so it doesn't unravel or anything like that. Then I'm gonna go ahead and brush through the ponytail, and that is it, you guys. That is the final look. Literally this ponytail took me, like, not gonna lie, 6 times to do. It seemed like I just did it all in one little shake, but I didn't. It literally took me 6 times. Like, this was my last attempt. I was about to give up, but I didn't. Yeah, this like type of style is something that gets better like the more you do it, I think. So like I said, this is my first time doing it, so yeah, just keep that in mind. But I do love the method. Like, the method is good. It's just something that needs to be done with more practice. So now I'm just doing my baby hairs. I just wet my toothbrush because I didn't feel like putting any real product in it, because I just feel like it just looked cuter that way. So yeah. But yeah, that is how I do my sleek ponytails. Hopefully this helps somebody out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch y'all in my next video. Peace out.